How to find help and feedback on your Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find help and feedback. So first thing, go to your Emo application. Once you are here, click on the profile icon up there. Now all you need to do is click on the last option, which is help and feedback, and wait for a second. Now choose a language if you want to, and this is your help and feedback. How to manage devices, account blocked, anything you want, and you have feedback center at the last option. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and